today's episode, we'll be checking in what condition is the engine. Remove some shite. Come on and help me, yeah. Now. Oh, nice. Wet, so. Looks not bad. After how many years? 7, 6, 9 years of standing. Yeah, not bad. Okay, that was cylinder number 1. There's 3 more to go. My helper was thinking it's 8 cylinder or 6 cylinder. Come on and help me. Come on, come on. Don't be shy. Come on, it's always the first time.
What I had
Go on the other side. Or do you want to try to pull out the second lead? Yeah. Second lead out. Now. No. First push the key in. This is completely in. Now with some. Now, nice. Okay. Is it on? Good. You need to be sure it's completely on the spark plug, otherwise it will damage that. We will. Now it's off. You can just unscrew that.
So I was unscrewing air.
Huh?
I was unscrewing air.
Yeah. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Now, just screw it in. Now, not too much. Lead on. So. Yeah. Come on.
The second one was supposed to step off.
Huh?
The second one wasn't that bad.
No. Do the proper way. So the gloves. Just check if it's on this spark plug. Is it?
Go in further, so should be on.
No, it should be on there. So what's the need? The push. Now. Ta-da! One to go. Well, it's fine. It looks normal. Just normal. Even. What we didn't do in the previous one is the brush. We had the brush.
Look what I'm doing.
Okay, we'll put the third one in. Now there's a third helper in the garage. Is this?
Yeah.
Now, let's try that to the end. Now. Just a bit. Now. Yep. And the last one. Now. Oh. No, it's probably from just a bit of oil from the seal maybe gone. See that later. The most important thing is
The oil doesn't smell bad.
it doesn't look bad. So there's a chance the last owner.
I was actually caring about the car.
Yeah. Now the question is, does he really start the engine every 6 months? Yeah. No. We will take out the first two and clean them also.
Yeah, go on.
The mistake we did, we didn't clean the first two ones. a matter of getting the key and trying to start with the fresh fuel.
And the oil looks like this.
Looks like someone put the oil or something in this cylinder. See that? To keep it. So that part's done. We'll just go to another point we checked before. There's no weird smell or like we call that custard. So should be healthy engine. Now we'll put the cover back, check the engine. So looked healthy enough. Now we'll be just waiting for the key from Morg garage. So hopefully we'll have it soon enough. They said about 3 weeks from Germany. So now could you pass me the screws? Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Did you check the air filter? We have everything off. Come on, just check it. The air conditioner is. Looks fine. Is it? That looks clean enough. The phone. Someone's keeping that in good order. Now. Yeah. Yeah. So it looks clean also. And the last one. Oh, the pipe. We'll just put it back loose without screwing anything on. As well. Next episode we'll take probably everything out again. So We just, yeah, that one. Everything just in place to not lose anything. Stuff in place. We'll just put that out again. Yeah, no. Okay, so that's it for today. See you next time.